Hello, hello. Welcome to a brand new episode of You Gotta Collect Call From. Where are we tonight? We're going to be doing Maricopa County, if you will. If you will. See, I need to open up an extra window over here. And bam, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, Matthew? How's it going, man? Hey, what's up, Mississippi Unicorn? All right, all right. What's in store for us tonight? I don't know. No sé. How is everybody doing tonight? It's going to be the last stream of the night. Hey, what's up, Coco? Let me see. Nuggets lose at home 140 to 139 to Minnesota Timberwolves in double overtime. Woo! That was a little bit too loud right there. Hopefully your grandma's not sleeping. The abuelita's not sleeping. Hey, what's up, Elizabeth? How's it going tonight? Hopefully a lot of good things tonight. Trouble, man. Hey, Elizabeth, thank you. Appreciate that heart. Not required, but highly appreciated, if you will. Mississippi Capricorn. Hey, Mr. James. Woo, woo. All right, all right. I don't think I didn't do any Maricopas today, if you will. What did I do today? Hey, what's up, Jasmine? How's it going? I don't even know what I did today. The day's kind of been a blur. Where'd they go? No sé. Let me see here. Collect. All right, here we go. I know I jumped on the. Oh, you know what I did? Iowa. I did Iowa. I thank you for that heart. Highly appreciate that. Ginger _ mom's corazón. And if you don't speak Spanish, corazón is heart. If you will, you might pick up a word or two in English and Spanish. We got to show up in court for James, laughing out loud. Thank you, highly appreciate it. Yeah, you don't want to get a failure to appear. Man, I can't even speak today. Birthdays, Easter's 8. Today's April Fool's is the last day for April Fool's, if you will. I had to tell my daughter, she's 6 years old. I was like, hey, they're going to try to trick you when you go to school today. Anyone got pranked today in April Fool's? My daughter told me something. I forgot what she told me. She told me something this morning. I don't know what it was. Let's see, I went to the wrong one. Which reminds me, I gotta text my daughter. I got a daughter that I think she's gonna turn 27 tomorrow. I think she was born on the 2nd. Gotta wish her a happy birthday, if you will. Man, damn, James, you got a 27-year-old? How old are you? If you were that old when she was born, what? You were doing what at that age? Oh, James, how dare you? Oh, there it is. It's coming in. Damn, it's loud. It's loud. Then the mug up in. I'm about to blow all my eardrums. Is it too loud for you guys or is it good? You guys tell me. Because I think it might be a little bit too loud for you guys. My dad's birthday was April 12th. Hey, happy early birthday. Might as well wait till midnight. You're right. You're absolutely right. All right, all right. So for those of you that are new here, that might just be stumbling across and just might be swiping, you might be seeing a little clock over there on the top with a little dinosaur doing little flips and whatnot. We are currently having to flip the screen because it is backwards. There we go. Ahí estamos. All right, so this is going to be live court in Maricopa, Arizona. And he's dancing. And pay attention. Pay attention. As soon as they say, all rise, they're going to say the 11 o'clock p.m. court because people are going to walk in. This can't be real. This can't be happening right now. This must be pre-recorded. Because where I live, they have court Monday through Friday.
The judge can change what order she wants the courts to be in. But for now, this is what I have.
Damn, it's loud. Hey, Norwegian TikTok shop. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Hello, James, if you will. It snowed here in all day in North Dakota. Tap right into the next courtroom. That's right. Let me see. Hey, Stevie, thank you for the heart. Highly appreciate it. All rise. Let me see. Yeah, so this is actually happening in real time right now. This is these people, either two things are gonna happen here, all right? Either they're gonna get OR'd, they're gonna be allowed to go home, or they're gonna go to jail. There's just that's just it right there. Most of the time, from what I've seen, it doesn't look like a lot of these people are able to afford these $50 bills, $500 bills, $1,000 bill, or $10,000 bill. They're staying in. If they don't get a, can you mirror your camera? No, I cannot. Of course, I could mirror that camera. There we go. Let me see right here. Already, if you will. Let me see. Good morning, my favorite live streamer, if you will. 7 a.m. in the sunshine in the UK. What the sunshine in the UK? That's definitely news right there. My brother went to jail today. His bill was $850. Deanna, was that you, the one that your brother was there at 5 p.m.?
Okay, that's what the hearing is for. It's an initial appearance for what this is.
I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. James, you're bugging at 11 p.m. Hey, what up, Liz? Ben, that's right, if you will. Here we go.
The officer wrote, and determining if there's probable cause to the home and the constant. That's the whole reason you're here. Okay. All right. What's the worst thing for you? Okay. All right. Everyone, sit up, please. Stand up, please. Stand up.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Typing all crazy, all upset because he has to work.
This is the 11 p.m. calendar on April 1st, 2025. Orders are given at the 2 a.m. calendar regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this. Not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you do have to give that stuff, all that information is going to be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned counsel. The vast majority of you are going to be assigned counsel, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you, and everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second thing, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel, so I can't answer legal questions for you. So please save your legal questions for your attorney as well. Finally, you're going to be hearing lots of different dates, and you're going to be hearing about different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork, but that's why it's important to keep and save your paperwork and not lose it. If you end up missing a court date or not following a written court order, you could just end up back here. Here's how tonight's going to work. I'm going to call two names. The first name I'm going to call is going to come into the courtroom, stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit in that chair next to the door. And then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar's finished.
Yup, there it is there.
Justin Williams to the podium. Brad Hall to the chair, please.
Up first is Justin Williams. Up next, after him is going to be Brad something. What do you guys think this gentleman is here for?
Justin Kevin Williams, 12/16/96.
Thank you.
96.
You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 8th in the downtown Superior Court. Because of the alleged violations of your probation, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time. So you'll be held non-bondable until April 8th. So why don't please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Hey, what time is it out right now in the UK? And let me see.
Brad Hall to the podium.
Norwegian TikTok shop.
Francisco Navarro to the chair, please.
Wait, James, what's a trial officer scheduling? That's a good question. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, that fool could barely walk. He's having a hard time. I wonder what happened to him.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Brad Marshall Robert Hall, 10/23/1986.
Thank you. You are here today on 2 probation violation warrants, a municipal court warrant, a new case in the Superior Court, and 2 Superior Court arrest warrants. So let me talk to you about your...
Probation? I'm not on probation.
You are still on probation. So let me talk to you about your new felony case.
It's 7:03 a.m.
Sir, you were arrested for 1 count of burglary in the 3rd degree, class 4 felony, 1 count of possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, class 4 felony, 1 count of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, 1 count of theft, a Class 6 felony, 1 count of possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, and 1 count of knowingly displaying a false license plate, a Class 2 misdemeanor. These all happened back on around February 2025. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 7th and April 10th in the Downtown Superior Court.
Hey,
Setting
thank
a
you,
secured
Donna.
appearance bond of $30,000. Sir, I will now talk to you about your 2 Superior Court arrest warrants. Probable causes, excuse me, previously found for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. This occurred back in July of 2022. I am assigning counsel. Your next court dates are again April 7th and April 10th. Setting a secured appearance, I'm affirming the bond set by the judge in that case is $750 secured appearance bond.
Hey, thank
On
you,
your
Oscar,
other
for
Superior
sharing.
Court arrest warrant, probable causes previously found for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony.
You're welcome,
Possession
Panda.
of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. Possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. This occurred back in April of 2022. I am assigning counsel, same dates of April 7th and April 10th. Those are your next court dates. Affirming the bond set by the judge, $750 secured appearance bond.
But Judge,
You have a municipal court warrant out of the Peoria City Court. I'm assigning counsel. I gotta change that.
who's gonna feed my
I'm
kitties
assigning
and puppies?
counsel.
Dang, he's done laughing out loud. Hey, thank you, Elizabeth, Mickey.
Complete probation.
Next court date for that one is April 3rd in the Peoria City Court. Affirming the bond set by the judge out there. It's a $200 cash bond.
Hey, he knows he's screwed. Look at him.
And then you have 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date's April 8th for both of those. I'm
That-
affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge.
That body language
$750 on one, $1,000 secured on the other.
says I'm defeated.
Sir, for all your cases, you're released if you're able to bond out. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you're able to bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
It depends, Melissa.
Sir, like, I can't walk. Like, is there any way that I can get a can here? I'm muscle dystrophy. Like, I'm going to die in 2 years anyway. So it's like, is there a way you really have to give me $30,000 bond, sir? Can you, this is like impossible for me to make.
Sir, given your criminal history and all these cases that you're facing,
I've always showed up. I've always brought myself to court. I've self-surrendered on my last one. I did 10 years in prison. I self-surrendered for that.
He said he has cancer. He says he has 2 years
you
to
have 13 prior
meet his
to
maker.
appear. So, yeah.
I'll show up. I mean, like,
No, sir, I'm going to be affirming these release conditions. If you want to step to your left for your paperwork. please.
okay. Thank you.
Francisco Navarro to the podium.
Hey, you know what? If I wasn't
Nicole
that,
Rife to the chair,
if I
please.
was in that type of condition, you better believe I'm not gonna be committing crimes. I'm gonna be
Francisco
traveling
Navarro.
to the day that casket drops. I'm not gonna be spending that time, committing crimes and whatnot. Hell nah. Miss me with that.
Hi, sir. Name and date of birth, please.
4/17/81,
Full name, please.
Francisco Javier Navarro.
Thank you. You are here on 4 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 8th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. On the first one, it's $100 secured. Second one is $750 secured.
What up, my boy?
Third one is $5,000 secured. And the fourth one is $250 secured.
What up, Tonka?
I
What
think
up?
that's a total of $2,100 secured, $6,100 secured appearance. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
This is
Why don't you step to the left of your
Arizona.
paperwork.
If
Nicole
you-
Rife to the podium.
Purple, thank you.
Chip
I
Segal to
appreciate
the
that.
chair, please.
And this is live. This is night court. This is Arizona, Maricopa County,
Hi,
if
name
you
and
will.
date of birth, please.
Nicole Wright, 3/21/94.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. We're not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 7th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $2,500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services release, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Thank you.
Okay.
Go ahead, please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am. Chip Segal to the podium. Michelle Lloyd to the chair, please.
If they say cash bond only, then they have to pay 100%. If they say secured, then you could go through a bondsman and it's 10%.
Good evening.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Chip Sargo, 9/12/64.
Thank you. I apologize for mispronouncing your last name.
Oh, that's fine.
You are here on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 8th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge, the $2,500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Sir, I didn't have the, I was there and downstairs and.
Whoa, hold up there, you whippersnapper.
Public defender was with me downstairs, and instead of upstairs where the court was, when we went up there, he filed for it to have it squashed. And then,
this ain't live,
told
11
me
p.m.
that his
I'm in
gal that
Cali,
worked for his
2
office
a.m.
had filed the
East,
paperwork to
East
squash
Coast
that warrant because we were
West.
there that day, sir, and
what up, Tita?
downstairs. So then they gave us a new court date for the 11th at 8:30, and but he says that that warrant was to be squashed because I was there, sir. I was downstairs getting with the meeting the probation officer and the public defender, and that's who I was with downstairs. And then they gave us a new court date for the 11th.
That motion to quash wasn't filed until the 11th, sir.
Well, I don't know what the attorney did, but I was there that day for court, and then he said that his secretary would file for the squash because we were there. Then we were told that we had a court date for the 11th, and I was just sitting at McDonald's eating, wasn't driving, wasn't doing anything when they came up and arrested me.
So, sir, I have no idea what happened at the courtroom. All I know is that the judge didn't see you when he put out this warrant for your arrest. So at this time, I'm going to be affirming the warrant, and your next court date is going to be on April 8th, okay? And then you can talk to the judge about, you can tell him personally about getting that warrant removed. But at this point, he wants to see you, and he put out a warrant for you.
Damn, man, him talking about McDonald's just got me hungry. Man, I want 2 cheeseburgers.
Lloyd to the podium.
2 cheeseburgers with fries.
To the chair, please.
Man, that doesn't sound too bad right about now. Next.
Name and date of birth, please.
Hey, what up,
Geno's?
Geno's?
Thank you. You are here today on 2 failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 8th, April 7th, 8th, and 10th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's $1,000 secured for each case, so a total of $2,000 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Can you OR bond me? I didn't miss that court date. I was there for half of it. My attorney didn't show up. And I haven't missed any court dates with it. Well, I've missed 1 or 2, but
I thought you said you didn't miss it.
Last one or the one before that. And I won't miss the next one. I know.
Come
I
again?
appeared on that one.
Hell no. Don't let her
My
out,
attorney
Judge.
wasn't there.
Yeah, this is the second warrant that's been issued for you.
But I appeared to all the other ones. It's been going on for a while. I don't miss them very often.
I mean, you're not supposed to miss any, ma'am.
I know. The only reason why I missed the last one was my child.
Oh, okay. Well, then if that's the
I
case,
had an emergency.
go ahead
with
and
my
go.
child, but
So at this point, I have no way of confirming whether what you're saying is true or not. All I have is the fact that you weren't able to appear and a valid warrant for your arrest. And so at this time, I'm going to affirm the warrant.
I wouldn't be
So
surprised.
your next court date that you can argue to have that warrant removed is going to be April 7th.
Hey,
okay?
JT, thank you for
Thank
that
you.
follow. Highly appreciate that. Hey, be like JT.